Hi, this is Maya. Welcome to Real Maya channel. I come up with another recipe, bottle gourd or Loki curry, and this is totally oil free and it's healthy too. Bottle gourd or Loki curry. Let's start. Ingredients. So ingredients for Loki curry: 1 to 1.5. If it is small, then 1.5 bottle gourd, or 1 if it is large size, 1 is good enough. Depends on how many people you want to serve. And the spices for this: half spoon red chili powder, and 1 green chilli sliced, and pinch of turmeric, and less than 1 spoon salt. Less than 1 spoon salt, because we'll be adding milk, and half spoon coriander powder, and we need half cup milk and little bit, a handful of coriander leaves. I'm going to mix all my spices into the chopped bottle gourd pieces and mix them well and marinate for 10 minutes. After marinating, I'll turn on the stove. After marination, I'm going to add them into the pan, and I'm going to add milk into this, coriander leaves or fresh coriander leaves and cilantro into this, and cover it with lid, and I'll set up for 10 minutes. Let's see after 10 minutes. I need to increase 2 more minutes, but again it depends on how much high your flame is, and even on the gas it might be different. So here the milk may break sometimes, but that's okay. It tastes like paneer, and I didn't add any oil into this, so it is totally oil free and it doesn't lack any taste. Let me plate it. You can eat this with rice or with chapati. Curry is ready. Let me taste it. It's too hot, so I'm going to take small piece with some gravy. Too hot. Tastes perfect. Do try this recipe, and it's totally oil free and it tastes too good. And if you like this recipe, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. And if you want description, the full recipe is there in the description box. Thank you for watching, and see you next time with new video. Until then, bye.